I'm going to attempt to make popcorn garland, but a giant popcorn garland. Well, we'll see how that goes. The spray foam needs 24 hours to dry. I attempted one earlier, so we'll see how this works out drying overnight. Okay, here we go. First thing you need are black refuse sacks, then some spray foam, then some straws, just plastic straws. So here's one I did today. I mean, there's only a little bit of spray foam left, but I used the straw in the middle of the popcorn, if you know what I mean. So basically then I'm going to cut off the straw either end and be able to thread it through. Thread it through with some baubles, like cranberries. Do you know the way there's, in America, I think it's, you know the way there's popcorn and cranberry garlands? Well, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do giant ones though. So red baubles are the cranberries, and they're going to look, so it's kind of going to look like this. Yeah, kind of looks like popcorn. Let me just take the stuff off the couch. It looks really messy. Okay, I think that looks a bit better. Okay, so there are 4 plastic bags or refuse sacks on the ground. Now, I'm going to take plastic straws and basically spray foam around each of them. Shake it through. Okay. Just gonna open it, and there are some gloves inside. I can open this. Unhook that. Now I'm going to hold it upside down. I'm just going to do a little test spray. Okay, it works. Right. So here we have a load of blobs that are slowly expanding with straws through the middle. Hopefully they'll look like popcorn kernels. When this side hardens a little bit, I'm going to flip them over and see how that works. Okay, let's wait for tomorrow. So it's the next day, and in the middle of the night after I'd finished editing, I got up and flipped the balls of spray foam and I sprayed the other side, so I'm going to show you that now. So here they are, you can see where they used to be, and I flipped them over and then I sprayed some more on top. They're extremely light. They kind of look like popcorn. So for all of those, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think I probably used about 1.5 cans of the spray foam. Okay, now I'm going to bring them into the table now. They also kind of look like meringues. To get the bubbles. So now that I have all my bubbles, my red bubbles that are going to be the cranberries, and my popped corn, I'm going to get a soldering iron. And I'm going to make holes in the bubbles. But first, I need to take all the tops off. That's done. Okay. I've had to plug this in over here. So this is my soldering iron. If you heated a knitting needle or something on, with a candle or on a stovetop, probably a stovetop better, you could do this as well. But I'm going to use soldering iron because I have it, and I'm just going to melt a hole opposite the hole that's already in the bubbles. Okay. So see one's there. So I'm going to go as opposite as I can. Plastic fumes, probably not the best. So there we go. I'm going to do the rest of these off camera. Okay, I'll do one more to show you. I've opened the door, by the way, to fumigate the place. So these are all melted, and now we're going to thread them onto the nylon cord that we had for doing the other decorations in the TV room. Okay, Now, do we start with a bubble? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I think we start with some popcorn. Okay, so what we need to do is the straw that we put in them, we need to cut that off on either side. And then we're going to hopefully thread this through. And it comes out the other side. I mean, I'm delighted. They actually do look like popcorn. Some people spray them with like brown or yellow spray paint, but I don't think it needs it. And we're gonna do a bubble. Now this is gonna be tricky to get this straight through. Right, I'm gonna have to figure this out, how I get it through, because it's a curved thing through the bubble coming out the other side. Wasn't actually recording there. Okay, so what I did was I got a skewer, wooden skewer, and I sellotaped really carefully the nylon cord onto the skewer. So now we're just going to do, so we have one of those ones, we're going to do one of we've made litter, we've few litters, let's do a litter. And we go through, and then we cut off the straw. So to finish this off, I have two, they're slightly bigger baubles and they're the same. So I'm going to leave the little cappy thing on and take off this. Hang on, I think my kitten's in trouble. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, go away. Mom, Bodie. Bodie. Go away, kitty. Yeah. That's a very poofy tail. Okay, I'm back. So as I was saying, I'm going to use these bigger ones to finish it off. So I'll get the end and thread it through. So all I'm actually doing is knotting it several times and pulling it really tightly. Like that. Now we need to make them tight together. cut loads of this, just so we have enough to work with. We get the other bubble. And I'll loop it through, I can't see, I'll loop it through this thingy to the end of the bubble. Focus. I'm going to loop it through that twice, and then I'm going to just start knotting. Make to do tight. So the reason why I'm using nylon cord as opposed to thread or string or something is that it's not going to break if it's pulled on, or, you know, because once you've threaded these, you don't really want to be threading them again. But yeah, that's why. A few more knots. And I think we're done. And here we have a popcorn garland. I'm going to show you properly now. So what do you think? Do you think this looks like a popcorn and cranberry garland? I'm delighted with it. Now I have to find somewhere to put it. You could actually put this up outside. It would be fine. But yeah. New fashion accessory.